that are safe for Cutie BIPOC youth through deep reconnection to our indigenous identities, cultural knowledge, and ancestral power. We work to empower and uplift all of our young people by guiding them to embrace their fullness and their authentic selves, taking ownership of their stories. Our work is rooted in the lived experiences of a queer and trans Pacific Islander youth of color whose voices are centered and honored in everything that we do. Through cultural responsive programs and we're about to do real quick.
some noise for the award.
Family and friends, we are Alamai, located in Kent, Washington. For more information on how to be a part of these